Cool. So let's go with the device targeting. So I will turn off this one. So as we are not using this for now. So yeah, device targeting. So what is device targeting? So let's read this. If you have different page for different device such as mobile, tablet, etc., then it is possible to redirect user to that page using the same short URL. Simply choose the device and enter the URL. So you got this. So let's say if you have two different pages, for one is for desktop and one is for mobile, or so yeah, so we have Windows, Mac, Linux, Ubuntu, iPhone, iPad, Android, BlackBerry, and other mobile. I don't know about the BlackBerry is still in the use or not, but yeah. So let's say if you have a specific use case where uh, let's say you have a software where the user should download the software, okay, and you have different pages. For let's say for exe file you have a different page, for dmg file, that is mac os file, you have a different page, for linux software you have different, ubuntu you have different, iPhone, if it is iPhone, you have a app link where the user will redirect to a web page where the App Store button will be there. So once they will click on that button, it will take to the App Store, but we have a deep link for that. But yeah, you have the option for that as well. We have iPad, Android, BlackBerry, and whatnot. Okay. So let's say uh, we have to redirect the user. If it is on Mac OS, we have to take them to a different link. Okay. So just select Mac OS, add the long URL over here, the exact URL, and just click on add. That's it. So whenever the user will click on this short URL, this URL is not changing by any chance. Let me make it very clear. The URL, the short URL, which is created by Altly, is not changing. Either the QR code is not changing. You're customizing everything for that link. Okay. So for Mac OS, this is the URL where the user should go. You can click add one more. For Windows, this is the URL where the user should go, where they can download that specific one. So this is how it works. Isn't it cool? For each specific device or each specific operating system, you can redirect the user to a specific page. This way, the user engagement is also good, the user interface is also good, and we are giving a right set of information to the users. Mac OS user can download the Mac OS software. Windows user can download the Windows software. Along with that, other applications and all those things will be happening. So this is how the device targeting is going to work over here. Cool. Then we have language targeting that we will see in the next video.